We call our church as the Catholic Church. It is the church that Christ built on Peter. And because we are followers of His person and teaching, we are called Christians. Tayo po ay mga Kristiyano. Ayon po sa banal na kasulatan, nag-iwan si Kristo ng 4 na marka o tanda upang makilala natin ang simbahang kanyang itinatag.
Then Jesus came to them and said, "All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Therefore go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. And surely I am with you always, to the very end of the age."
Ang kanyang simbahan ay nagkakaisa sa iisang paniniwala sa Diyos, banal, katoliko o ganap, at nakasalig sa pagsaksi ng mga apostol. In fact, our church possesses these 4 marks that He has given. First, our church is one because God is one. Iisang Diyos sa 3 persona ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Sabi ni San Pablo, iisa ang simbahan dahil sa isang pananampalataya, isang pagbibinyag, isang Panginoon. Second, our church is holy sapagkat ang Diyos na banal mismo ang nagtatag nito. Kaya ang simbahan ay bayan ng Diyos, katawan ni Kristo at templo ng Espiritu Santo. Third, our church is Catholic because it possesses fullness of faith, and fullness of the means of salvation. It is full also because it is not limited to any particular place, time, culture, or race. Ang ating simbahan ay bukas at para ito sa lahat. Fourth, at bilang panghuli po, our church is apostolic because our church draws its faith from the witness of the apostles. And it will remain so until the end of time.